So if it's anybody who has been asking for an orange phone, an orange device, if it's anybody in the world of tech, in the world anywhere, who has been asking for an orange device, it has been me. And here we go. iPhone 17, Cosmic Orange. We have not opened it. And that's what we're here today for. I'm Average Tech Guy, and this is your first look from me at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's get it open and let's see what it looks like. All right, so as mentioned, I told y'all this is my favorite color. Once you've seen an iPhone, you've seen an iPhone, but this is an orange iPhone. And with orange being my favorite color, as you can see, I got a lot of orange stuff in this room. I got orange clothes, I got orange shoes, I got a lot of orange, but this takes the cake. I've been waiting on this for years and years. Now, you know, Samsung made an orange phone a few years back and it wasn't really orange. It was like a pinkish orange. I am not color grading this video in any kind of way. I'm not saturating anything. This is gonna be the original color, everything of this video. And I tried to avoid watching any videos of anybody doing anything with this device all weekend long until I got my hands on mine. And I can honestly say that I love the color. I love the two tones. It's just me. I love orange. I saw a lot of people talking bad about it, but this is it for me. This is my color. Okay. Now, of course, it is an iPhone. And like I've been hearing scratches and all that stuff, I don't care. I could care less, but this is what I like. I'm gonna have mine in a case either way because that's what I do. And that's what I'm here for, to show you guys cases and how to protect this thing. I probably won't even turn this on. I just wanted to see the color and how it looked. That's it. And I wanted to show you guys my first impression of how this phone actually looks. And from what I can see, I really, really like it. Now we'll go ahead and pop that off because, you know, we gotta go ahead and get it fully undone. And of course, we are going to find a battery that's just laying around, and hopefully that battery will pop it on. I'm hoping. I thought it was just gonna come on by itself. Maybe I gotta let's see. Okay, let's turn this one on. Oh, it's on. There we go. Phone is on. So battery is doing its thing. It's like getting the phone ready. Let's talk about what's in the box. Of course, box is very minimal nowadays. You get USB type C to C cable, braided nylon. Of course, my children, my wife will take that from me at some point today. Instructions, and that's it. Not even, oh yeah, we don't need a SIM ejector tool anymore because they're all eSIMs now. So that's what we got to look forward to. But this is the, what model did I even get? I don't even know what I got. Let's see on the back, 512. So 512 gigs. We've been working with iOS 26 for about a month and a half now, maybe. So I'm not really interested in that. I do want to go ahead and get some different backgrounds just to see how that's going to look. But we know wireless charging is good. It's working. It just took it a minute for it to come on. Now, the next thing I do want to show you is I want to show you the first case I'm going to slap on here because you're going to see it in the thumbnail anyway. But this is going to be the first case that I put on this device, the Supcase UB Grip. Of course, I could not wait to see how this was going to look with that orange and that green. Make me feel like I'm a Miami Hurricanes fan all over again. Shout out to the Hurricanes. That is a nice colorway. That is a nice colorway. I like the way that looks. And Supcase is going to give you a lot of protection. So just keep that in mind. We do have third-party accessories. Just like so. They work with third-party accessories. They even make their own accessories for this. I don't have any of their wallets, or maybe I have like one or two. I just can't find them anywhere. but that's neither here nor there. They work. Magnet is very strong. Once again, magnet is very strong, and there you go. You get your MagSafe, ring and ding, you're good to go. Like, that orange is really, really, really nice. I like that. On the Supcase casing, of course, you get your power button. Very fluid, no problems there. We already tested this out on the iPhone. Of course, this is not set up, so we can't test the camera control and all that good stuff out, which I will show y'all all of that at some point. But it does work, because it worked on my 16 Pro Max. And I will say 16 Pro Max feels a little bit lighter in the hand than the 17 Pro Max. I don't know why, but it does feel lighter. And it may just be this casing, but everything is working. Buttons are nice and tactile. This is a great company. I've been doing business with them for 8 years, 7, 8 years now. Never had an issue. Good customer service. Never had a problem. They don't pay me, so just keep that in mind. But it is a great company, and they're very professional, and they make really, really good cases. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a link so you can check this case out. It does come in a bunch of different colors, and I got a whole stack of cases over here. I will be showing you guys those cases in just a little while. But I do want to, I talked about this already, this case, but what I do want to show you is, of course, the weight, because the weight that I showed you the first time in the introduction video to this case, it was just with the 16 and this case. So I'm going to revisit showing you the weight of the 16 and the case, and then the weight of the 17 in the case. And I think did I just break that case? I broke the case that was already on there. Oh my God. All right, so here we go. 16, 8.4 ounces for a grand total of 10.8 ounces. Okay. Keep in mind 16, 8.4 ounces, and 17, just slightly lower, 8.2 ounces, grand total of 10.6. So it honestly, okay, it did feel lighter, but they feel about the same. Yeah, that's what we got. So we got a really, good setup, light casing. It's gonna fit on there. It's gonna give you a lot of protection, a lot of protection. I do not have a screen protector on here yet. I'm not dropping this just yet. I will be doing some drop stuff in just a little while, but I'm gonna be doing normal drop testing that comes from the normal height a person would drop a phone from on a normal surface. Like you may drop it on a table, you may drop it on a carpet, you may drop it on your floor at home that is made out of wood, but you're only dropping from 2 to 3 feet. So we will be doing some real life drop test stuff once I get it all protected like I want it. And yeah, we'll check that out. But go check this case out. Very affordable, very protective, and you can't say much more about it. But the star of the show, once again, is still this orange iPhone. This is my favorite color. We established that years ago. This is it. Orange iPhone in hand. If you got questions, ask away. I'll be doing videos pretty much every day moving forward. So stay tuned, and hopefully this has been able to help someone out. If you got any questions about specific cases you want me to go and check out so you don't have to, drop a comment below. I'll do that for you. Until next time, Average Tech out. Peace. It's orange!